Today, I'll walk you through how to set up client management notes in Obsidian, turning your vault into a simple but powerful system for tracking every client, meeting, and task. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, open Obsidian and open the vault where you want to work. If you haven't created one yet, just pick your vault or create a new one. Now, click the New Folder button in the File Explorer pane on the left. Name this folder Clients. This folder is going to be your central hub where every single client note lives, keeping everything clean and organized from the start. Click on the Clients folder to select it, then click New Note. Name the note with your client's actual name, for example, Acme Corp or Jane Doe. This note is your master record for that client. Inside the note, add clearly defined sections: contact information, meeting notes, tasks, and follow-ups. You can type these as headings by adding 2 hash symbols before each one. These sections give your note structure, so when you open it during a call or review, everything you need is right there without scrolling around. Now, during your meetings, add notes and action items directly under the appropriate sections. Under meeting notes, jot down key discussion points. Under tasks, use checklists by typing a hyphen, a space, brackets with a space inside, and then your action item. For example, dash space open brackets, space close bracket space, send proposal. That creates a task you can check off. Do the same for things like schedule follow-up. This turns your note into a live workspace, not just a static record. Create a new note exactly like this for each new client you onboard. To keep everything searchable and connected, add tags. At the bottom of any note, type a hash sign followed by client, hash meeting, and hash project. Tags let you instantly pull up every note related to a topic. To connect related notes, type double square brackets around a client's name, like this. Left bracket, client name, right bracket, right bracket. This creates a link you can click to jump straight to their note, building a web of connections across your vault. Finally, when you need to find a client note fast, press Ctrl+P on Windows or Command+P on Mac. This opens the command palette. Just start typing the client's name, and Obsidian will show you the note instantly. And there you have it, your own client management system inside Obsidian with organized folders, structured notes, link connections, and quick access. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.